I just put it for soak and blend it up to the. Now I steam it first and then blend it.
No man chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I cook it.
Are you cook this, sir?
Yeah.
No.
You did not know about making your Christmas cake. When preparing your Christmas cake, it's not a must that your cake should be soaked. Couple, like for instance, 4 or 5 months before or a couple of weeks before. The trick about this, you can still get that nice flavor by just steaming the fruit in the wine. So, say for instance, you do not have the funds to buy the wine and the fruit in time. You can buy it, like say for instance today, steam it and you will get the same result as soaking it for 2, 3, 4 months. 2 weeks, 1 week, you get the same result, just steam. And then, so thanks again for listening. It's your boy. Nah, I'm not stupid. It's your boy Henry back with another video. So people, important note.